Hello, students of class 9. This is Advanced Mathematics, exercise 4.2. Today we will start from question number 7. So, question number 7, you see, the question is if question number 7, if x square minus yz by p, comma, y square minus zx by q and z square minus xy by r are mutually equal, then show that the product of p plus q plus r and x plus y plus z is equal to px plus qy plus rz. Okay, are mutually equal, then show that the product of this and this, it is equals to this. So in here, x square minus yz by p equals to yz minus zx by q equals to z square minus xy by r. They are mutually equal, so is equals to, I will say, k say. Okay, equals to k say. So therefore x square minus yz by p is equals to k, I will get. This is x square minus yz is equals to pk. Okay, is equals to pk, I will get. And then again, this is the comma, y square minus zx by q is equals to k. So this is, I will get y square minus zx is equals to qk. And then again, z square minus xy by r is equals to k. Z square minus xy is equals to rk, I will get. Okay, so now in here you see pk value I got. So yeah, so now from here, this is x square minus yz by k is equals to p, and y square minus zx by k is equals to q, and z square minus xy by k is equals to r, I will get. Okay, by k is equals to r, I will get. So now in here, product of, I have to show that the product of this is equals to this. So p, q, r values I got. Let me write it in here. P is equals to x square minus yz by k. Q is equals to y square minus zx by k. And r is equals to z square minus xy by k. So in here, LHS I will take, which is equals to the product of p plus q plus r into x plus y plus z. So this is equals to p value, it is x square minus yz by k plus y square minus zx by k plus this is z square minus xy by k into x plus y plus z. So this is now k LCM, x square minus yz plus y square minus zx plus z square minus xy, and this is LCM. So this one I can take x plus y plus z, I can take. Understand? This is LCM. One thing, this is in here I will give bracket. Okay, in here I will give bracket. So in here, okay, let me show you this nicely. Is equals to, in here, this is k. Okay, in here this is, I will write, this is your k, x square minus yz plus y square minus zx plus z square minus xy. Okay, and this whole thing, it is multiplied with x plus y plus z. Okay, so this thing I can write it as x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z into, and this one you see how I can write x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Yes, this whole thing I can write it in this way, and this is by k. Okay, I hope you have understood. Next you see this is the formula of, so now in here this is equals to, you see this is the formula of, I'm writing it in here. Okay, this whole thing I'm writing it in here. This is the formula of, you see, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz by k I will get. Okay, by k I will get. So this is LHS. This one I will keep it in this way. Okay, now I will go to RHS. Here. Now I will go to RHS, which is equals to px plus qy plus rz uh, plus rz. So in here again, p value, it was x square minus yz by k into x plus y square minus zx by k. um, uh, uh, 1 minute here. P value, yes, this is y plus z square minus xy by k into z I will get. Okay, into z I will get. So this is equals to, again in here you see k LCM, x square minus yz into x plus y square minus zx into y plus z square minus xy into z I will get. Okay, so now if I multiply it, I will get x cube minus xyz plus y cube minus xyz plus z cube minus xyz by k I will get. So this is equals to, if I solve it, you see what I will get here. This is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz by k I will get. So this was our LHS. This was our LHS, and this is our RHS. So therefore what I got? Therefore I can say that LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to RHS. So therefore P plus Q plus R into x plus y plus z, this is equals to our px plus qy plus rz. This is our solved. Okay, this is our solved. So next it is, you see, question number 8. Next question it is question number 8. So question number 8, if the equation, question number 8 here, if the equation x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, this is equals to 0, is same with the equation, it is same with the equation, this is x cube plus 5x square plus 8x minus 11 is equals to 0, then find the value of a square b plus c plus b square c plus a plus c square a plus b. Okay, if the equation this is equals to 0 is same as the equation this is, then find the value of this. So in here you see this is x plus a plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equals to 0. Okay, and this is the formula of, now this is equals to, according to the formula, it is x cube plus a plus b plus c x square plus ab plus bc plus ca ab plus bc plus ca x plus abc equals to 0. Okay, and since this equation is same as this equation, Okay, this is one you from here, this is the formula. Okay, and now next I will write this equation: x cube plus 5x square plus 8x minus 11 is equals to 0. Now since these two equations are same, okay, since these two equations are same, so therefore from these two you see, if the coefficient, if I equate the coefficient, so I will get here, uh, I will get, you see, a plus b plus c is equals to 5. I will get a plus b plus c is equals to 5. I will get, and then ab plus bc plus ca equals to 8. I will get equals to 8, and abc equals to minus 11. I will get, yes, abc equals to minus 11. I will get. Okay. So now find the value of this one. So now you see this is a square b plus c plus b square c plus a plus c square a plus b. Okay, and this is equals to this one plus b. So in here there is a formula: a square b plus c uh, plus. So this is, you see, this one I can write it as, this whole thing I can write it as plus 3abc minus 3abc. Okay, I can write it in this way. Okay, this one I have given by myself, plus 3abc minus 3abc. Okay, find the value of this one. So find the value of this I will find. So this one, you see, this is the formula up till here. Okay, up till here there is a formula which is a plus b plus c into ab plus bc plus ca, and this is minus 3abc. Okay, now you see a plus b plus c, it is 5 I have got, so this is 5 into this is 8 is equal minus 3 into abc is minus 11. So this is equals to 5 age of 40 plus 33 is equals to 73. I will get. So this is the answer. Understand? So first of all you write down, I have to find the value of this. Yes. So first of all you write down a square b plus c plus b square c plus a, then again plus c square a plus b, then equals to you give. Okay. Then equals to, it is equals to this one, c plus a plus c square a plus b. This is equals to plus 3abc minus 3abc. Okay, plus 3abc minus 3abc. Understand? Because this one I can write it as plus 3abc minus 3abc. So up till here, from here till here, there is a formula which is a plus b plus c into ab plus bc plus ca, and this is minus 3abc. Value all you put, and the answer you find out. Okay. So now next I will go to question number 9. Okay, next I will go to question number 9 here. So question number 9, it is same. Okay, question number 9, it is same here. Let me show you. Question number 9, it is saying that x plus a, x plus b and x plus c is equals to 0, and there is another equation x cube minus 9x square plus 5x minus 13 is equals to 0. So these two equations, they are same. Okay, saying that these two equations, they are same. I have to find the value of BC B plus C plus CA C plus A plus AB A plus B value I have to find. So no problem. So this is solution. So this is first equation. X plus A into X plus B into X plus C is equals to 0. So this is the formula of x cube plus, just now we have done. Let me show you the formula here. A plus, this is the formula. This is the formula of a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca x plus this is abc is equals to 0 I will get. Okay, this is the formula of this. And the next equation, you say x cube minus 9x square plus 5x minus 13 is equals to 0. Now these two equations are same. Yes, these two equations are same. So therefore if I equate their coefficient, you see this is so a plus b plus c is equals to minus 9 I will get. AB, this whole thing is equals to 5 I will get, and this is equals to minus 13 I will get. Then again your AB plus BC plus CA is equals to 5 I will get, is equals to 5 I will get, and ABC is equals to minus 13 I will get. Okay, ABC is equals to minus 13 I will get. So now you see this one, BC B plus C plus CA C plus A plus AB A plus B. So this is equals to, I can write this as you see in here BC B plus C. I can write it as BC B plus C plus CA C plus A plus AB A plus B. This is, I can write plus 3ABC minus 3ABC. Okay, plus 3ABC minus 3ABC. Now this whole from here till here, okay, there is a formula which is equals to, it gives me A plus B plus C into AB plus BC plus CA minus 3ABC. Okay, so now A plus B plus C value it is there, AB plus BC plus CA value it is there, and ABC value it is there. These are, I will put it in here and I will find the value. Okay, so this one you see A plus B plus C, it is minus 9 into AB plus BC, it is 5 minus 3 into, this is minus 13. So this is equals to 45 and this is 39. So 45 minus 39, this is your 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 from here 1. So this is equals to minus 6 I will get. This is my answer. In here one more thing, this is our question number 9. Let me check the back answer one time. Exercise 4.2 question number 4.2 question number 9. 4.2 question number 9, it is minus 6 it will be. Okay, so next again you see question number 10. Next it is question number 10 there. So it is if A plus B plus C is equals to twice P given, then show that 8P cube 8P cube is equals to A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus thrice 2P minus A, 2P minus B, 2P minus C. Okay, so I will take here RHS. RHS A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus 3. 2P value it is A plus B plus C minus A. 2P value A plus B plus C. This is, let me write the RHS first of all. Let me write the RHS. This is RHS is A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus 3. 2P minus A, 2P minus B, 2P minus C. So this is equals to A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus 3, A plus B plus C minus A plus B plus C minus B, and A plus B plus C minus C. So this is equals to A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus 3. This it will, I will get, this is A, B plus C. In here I will get A plus C, and in here I will get A plus B. Okay. Now this is the formula of A plus B plus C. Let me one time check it. This is the formula. This is the formula. Yes, this is the formula of A plus B plus C the whole cube, and A plus B plus C its value is 2P. So 2P the whole cube is equals to 8P cube, which is equals to LHS. This one our proved. Okay, this is our proved. So I hope you have understood. In our next video we will go to type 11. We will go, okay, type 11 there, which is your simplify. Okay, type 11 we will go. I hope you have understood. If you have got any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. Okay, thank you.